What's up? What's up? Hello, my friends. Welcome back again to the channel. On this episode, today we're gonna review this fragrance right here. This is Enigma Deux Eau de Parfum by FA Paris, aka Fragrance World. This is the logo of their company. Yes, it kinda get confusing with these names, but you guys gotta catch up. Just like how I try to do, I try to catch up, even though there is plenty fragrances from Fragrance World, Maison Umbra. I mean, every day there is something new. So yes, I gotta stay updated. So yes, for today's video, there will not be any editing, no music added to the video, no nothing. We will just record it the way it is. If I get interrupted, I will get it interrupted. I don't care. I'll just film it the way it is. So yes, for today's video, it is gonna be the unboxing and the first impressions for this fragrance right here, Enigma Deux by Fragrance World. It is already known to be a clone of Angel's Share. So yes, Angel's Share by Killian. So yes, Angel's Share has taken the turn of a fragrance that's getting millions and millions of clones, just like how Dior Sauvage, just like how it happened with Dior Sauvage. We've been seeing a lot of clones. Aventus Creed, plenty clones. Baccarat Rouge, plenty clones, especially Baccarat Rouge. This DNA is just everywhere right now, thanks to all of these clones. So I hope, really, I hope that when cloning Angel's Share, that it's not gonna get out of hand, that it's not gonna get ridiculous, and I hope that all or most the clones will be really good and top notch. Anyways, so Fragrance World, this company from the UAE, is known to do like fragrances that are inspired from famous designer and niche fragrances, and their fragrances are pretty affordable, and it is a good bang for your buck, especially for people that are on a budget. So without further ado, let's unbox this fragrance right here. Let me give you like a presentation, a little tour of the box, the bottle, and do like a first impression and see if it is really any close to Angel's Share by Killian. So as you guys can see, this is the box. Pretty chic, pretty modern. I don't know what they tried to do with this style. It's like the opposite of the. It's like when Khamra came with its presentation, it was like this. But these guys, they did the complete opposite. Now they have this on the top. But anyways, yeah, let's just appreciate it, I guess. So the name of the fragrance right here, we have the logo of FA Paris right here, aka Fragrance World. On the back we have the authentication stamp. It's like a hologram. Over here, ingredients, Fragrance World. It says Fragrance World right here, and their website. I hope that you guys can see. Let me see if I can zoom it in. All right. So on the bottom, we have some more informations. We have the production date, expiration date, and I guess this is like the batch code, the barcode, and QR code. So without further ado, let me show you the bottle. So how does this bottle look like? Okay, I guess like it is another shiny, reflective bottle, which I really kinda dislike. Yeah, on the top also we have the logo of the company FA Paris. So yes, this is the bottle. I hope that you guys can see it very well. Yes, you can. It has this kind of golden, pinkish, purplish type of colors. Special, yeah, it's kind of enigmatic. I don't know what they tried to do, like some sort of magic type of, I don't know. Yeah, it is definitely special. The bottle doesn't really look like Angel's Share, so it doesn't really look like Kismet Angel or Khamra by Latafa, and it has its own style, its own vibe, its own character. Let's check out. Oh, the cap is pretty heavy. What is that? It's like a brick. Anyways, let's check out the sprayer and see how it sprays like. It's okay. Oh wow, I can smell it from here. Ooh, it is boozy right away. You know what, guys? So the name says Enigma Deux, which is Enigma Two. You know what I'm gonna say? This is Kismet Angel multiplied by 2. It is more dense, it's thicker, definitely, and stronger. Really, it is much stronger. It's not like chlorine, it's not like chemical, it's not like alcoholic. It's pretty smooth when it comes to the scent, but it's stronger. You can tell like right away that it is. Yeah, let me spray it in the air and see. Yeah, you can tell that it is definitely a projecting type of scent, and it might be a really long lasting type of scent as well. They're very boozy. There is a little bit of honey as well, cinnamony, a little bit spicy as well, warm spice, like really really warm. This is like the perfect scent for Halloween or fall, or yeah, even the winter. But as I said, really, it is like Kismet Angel multiplied by 2 or even by 5, because it seems like to be a good fragrance. And yeah, I like it. It's beautiful. It smells really good. It has a little bit of yeah, definitely like Khamra, but as you guys know, Khamra is more on the sweeter side. It doesn't really have much spices like Kismet Angel. Khamra is not really. Yes, Khamra is definitely an inspiration of Angel's Share, but it's a little bit far from Angel's Share. Not like Kismet Angel that we have right there, which is much closer to Angel's Share. But this one, this is like, I don't know. I don't want to say anything on this. I don't want to say like on this first impression video, because I want to leave it to the review. But so far, it feels like, I would say 90% Angel's Share. Beautiful scent. Yeah, and definitely can be the best clone so far. I can really. I mean, this is definitely the best clone so far that I smelled of Angel's Share. And it's beautiful. I'm sure I'm gonna get a lot of compliments and a lot of questions about this fragrance in the near future. So yes, I guess let me guys wear it a few days and see how it's gonna develop, see how it's gonna be. I want to see also the longevity, the projection, etc. So I can come back to you guys with all the informations about it, and cover more and give you more about it. So yes, and by the way, yes, if you guys want to know about the price, this one is a little bit pricier than Khamra and a little bit pricier than Kismet Angel. Both they are from Latafa, but Kismet Angel is from Maison Lambra. This one is from Fragrance World. There is another one that's called Cocktail Intense from Fragrance World, but I tried it before, but it wasn't really, it's not as good as this one. Let's put it this way, it's not as good as this one. This is crystal clear from the beginning, from this opening, and right now it is developing and it's starting to smell even better. I mean, you can tell from my reaction that I'm really loving it. So yeah, I'll wear it for a few days and try to come back to you guys for like the full review for this fragrance. I forgot to mention the price. The price, yes, once again, I'm gonna say that it depends from one seller to another, but yes, if you find it for like 30 or 35 bucks, it is a pretty good price for it, especially that it comes in a 100 ml size bottle. So please don't forget to press the like button and stay tuned for the next video and the full review for Enigma Deux by Fragrance World. Take care, bye.